Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Steve's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. Steve has a note and he says the movement in the unit started to move slow, and so right now it doesn't move at all, and the light will come on every once in a while. Now when these units are plugged in and turned on by the main power switch in the base of the back of Mickey, they will flicker on sometimes, and actually they will come on and make a movement, but that's normal. It's just the circuitry setting up. So we're having an issue with the movement, the animation of Mickey, and so we want to take a look at the main PC board, the circuit that powers the servo, and in return moves the gear cluster pack. We also want to just troubleshoot everything in general. So we will be going through the entire lamp while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that the main power switch at the back of the base of Mickey, it's always a good idea to turn that power switch off when you're plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to the electrical outlet. The electronics that are associated with this type of lamp are kind of delicate, and if the unit's not going to be used for a long period of time, it's also a good idea to turn that main power switch in the off position. Turning that main power switch in the off position can help stop any power surges that you may get on the electrical line. Now what we want to do is go ahead and reach around and turn that main power switch in the on position.
What a bright idea!
Now we want to wait a second before we turn the unit off. It's not a good idea to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
And Mickey's got a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We'll turn the unit back on.
Ah, that's
can turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn the unit on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this Mickey lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Steve and he can enjoy this Mickey lamp once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.